Hi, I'm Aaron with LifeStraw. Today we're going to review the setup, first use, and storage of the LifeStraw Escape, our new high-flow water purifier. The device is straightforward. You simply fill the tank with dirty water, use the pump to pressurize it, and then turn the tap to dispense safe drinking water. Prepare for your first use by rotating the orange top lid counterclockwise to remove it from the tank. Note the pressure release valve. Rinse the inside of the tank with clean water, then discard. Use the orange drain plug to remove water easily from the tank. Next, remove the tap and filter assembly to expose the 3-stage filter. Unwrap the activated carbon filter and insert it into the gray carbon filter housing. Reassemble and install the assembly back into the tank. Fill the tank with up to 5 gallons of water, about 1 inch below the lid opening. Securely screw the top lid clockwise. Now you're ready to pressurize. Before adding pressure to the tank, make sure the lid, drain plug, and tap assembly are all properly closed. Begin adding pressure to the device by pumping the handle up and down. As pressure builds, pumping will become harder. That's normal. Expect to need about 15 to 20 pumps to reach optimal pressure.
As you get to know your LifeStraw Escape, you'll find that as the water level drops, the internal pressure will also drop and your flow rate will slow. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and close that tap nice and secure. Give the pump a few pushes, boost that pressure level, and then your flow rate will be back to where you expect it to be. After following these steps, your LifeStraw Escape is ready to use. For more information about your Escape, please visit us at LifeStraw.com, where you'll find detailed user manuals, more how-to videos, and frequently asked questions. Or you can always email us at info@lifestraw.com.